Yes, I went back to add more to my position. Yes, we have 18 billion now in Ryoshi Vision, and I'm still buying the dip because I feel good about this. And yes, I've got some plans what I'm going to do with this. And if you're watching this video, you're probably on the fence. Should I get this? Should I not get this? Well, the best time usually to get things is usually on the dip. Usually on the dip. I'm just kind of winking the eye. Usually on the dip. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, so let me show you how to get Ryoshi Vision to make sure you're going to the right place. And yes, I'm excited. I just added some more to my position. On Shibaswap, you can get it right on Shibaswap, but if you need help, use the website of Ryoshi.Vision to get there by clicking on a Buy Shibaswap, and then from here, it will automatically calculate. But if you're having issues in terms of swapping your token, you may need to adjust your slippage. Adjust your slippage to number 3%. That's what I did. If you're having issues with any error messages, adjust your slippage to 3%, then swap it, confirm, and then what happens is you should see it on your phone. So right now, I can go ahead and take advantage of that. The fees is $27. So I'm not going to do that as in right now, but I just wanted to show you how to do that. So that's the Shibaswap way. There is a Uniswap way, the same exact way. You go ahead and you look for the actual asset, type it in. You may have to import this in if you do not have this already. And then from there, the same thing, adjust the slippage to 3. Your transaction may be front run, and then you swap it just like we just did from the Shibaswap way. And I'm going to show you what the fees will be on this one. The fees are about the same. It's $29 on that. So the fees is, about the same for that as well. I will cancel that so you can get it on Uniswap and Shibaswap. Those are the two areas that I feel good about getting that because they kind of work together in some ways and they both support the right Ryoshi Vision token. So yes, I'm added to my position. I'm really excited about that. And I'm waiting for this as well. This is to happen. The 1% of every transaction gets redistributed to everyone who's buried SHIB or on Shibaswap. So I'm hoping that happens as well at some particular point, because I do believe as a SHIB holder, if you're burying a SHIB, you should be rewarded with this as well. So Ryoshi Vision is one of those things where that I'm excited when the gifts and the reward starts to happen. Little Timmy will be all excited about this. I know you'll be excited as well. And you know what? The next time I'm going to do this, next time I see something, I may go live. I may go ahead and go live, and we can just maybe go ahead and do it together as a group, as a community. I'm going to start going live more this month, and so my schedule is being freed up. So I want to go live for you. If you want to go live, just let me know a little bit more. But Ryoshi Vision, absolutely, I'm so excited about this. And don't forget, you get it on Uniswap or Shibaswap. Yes. So all right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, you know what, Ryoshi Vision, but don't forget about Shibaswap, because Shiba is still a good price. Bone, I just added a little bit more bone to my position, and I added a little bit more leash to my position as well. So I'll see you guys later. Don't forget, click on the links below, Ryoshi Vision, if it's something you want to do, and I'll see you on the next video.